Here we go. Arborvitae's going in. 4.5 off the wall. 5 foot. Spaced apart. .36 degrees and raining. Bing bong. It's like an hour. Man, slamming these bitches in. Gotta plant that one. That's it. Boxwood's going in. Redbud. Planted this. Some more redbuds. Some lavenders. Put this in the other day. Redbud's going in that hole. Still gotta dig everything. That tree's going there. 3 little ones. Andromedas. Pencil pine. Got the lilac. Some more Andromedas. Caesar's over there planting some specimens. Check that out. Weeping Norway.